There is a commercially proven, cost-effective, and reliable treatment process for medical waste, the STI Series 2000. When regulations matter, plan on STI. Incineration once dominated the medical waste treatment world, but today the process is considered obsolete and dangerous. It all started back in 1995. The first STI facility directly replaced two large incinerators at a high-capacity medical waste treatment plant in Morgantown, Pennsylvania.
The design criteria for the STI Series 2000 was very straightforward. It had to be continuous throughput. It had to be very high capacity. Had to be a 6-log reduction of bacterial spores. That was the most stringent in the U.S. Had to be efficacious under all circumstances, no matter the waste types or the waste packaging. And the system had to be very simplistic to operate. Soon after, many additional installations occurred in Ireland, and Northern Ireland, and England, and Australia, replacing another dozen large incinerators in those countries.
In 2007, the STI business was acquired by BioSAFE Engineering. With that investment, next-level designs have been funded and company staffing have been expanded. Let's examine how this unique system works in practice. Weighing and loading are achieved via single push-button operation. Operational labor is minimized. Exposure of waste to direct steam impingement has always been at the core of the STI design. The STI system integrally shreds the waste, exposing enormous amounts of surface area to the steam, which assures efficacy under every circumstance. The STI system does not rely on conduction of temperature to the center of the mass like conventional autoclaves. Air is drawn into the system via negative pressure, HEPA filtered, and released outdoors. The STI system begins and ends with steam and temperature delivered throughout the process. Steam is directly impinged onto bags, boxes, and sharps containers prior to their being broken open. The waste is 90% bulk reduced and rendered unrecognizable. Steam applied to the shredded materials and the shredder quickly elevates temperatures and constantly decontaminates the shredder during operation. Integral shredding assures complete efficacy under all circumstances. The shredded materials and liquids enter the continuous feed steam treatment auger, where additional steam is applied followed by a dehydration process that eliminates free liquids, making the waste light and inexpensive for transport. An odor control agent is automatically applied to eliminate cooking odors in the waste. In all, the waste is exposed at temperature for a minimum of 60 minutes, unlike autoclaves that may never achieve boiling temperatures of blood and other liquids. The treated product may now be landfilled or recycled, all without ever being touched by human hands.
Regulatory compliance and efficacy testing are achieved through insertion and retrieval of bacterial spores that are inserted into what we call the egg. And the spore testing confirms the automated equipment operation. When the equipment is installed at different sites, a complete training of the equipment, including testing methods and compliance and reporting, have always been part of the whole STI experience. STI provides a complete classroom and hands-on training for each install. STI views each case as a business proposition, and we examine the capital and operating costs, including the return on investment, to determine a unique business plan for your particular operation. The STI interactive spreadsheet that we prepare illustrates cash flow savings and profit, which will prove to be an invaluable tool in examining your particular business needs. Our clients told us what they needed, and we listened. On today's equipment, we have new vertical speed doors for loading. We have hydraulic rams above the shredder to assist throughput in the equipment. We've installed digital scales on each machine that help record the throughput of the product and also work in terms of billing. We offer remote monitoring for each of the systems so that by remote, we can diagnose what's going on and we can assist you in your operation. All of the equipment today is stainless steel in construction, no longer carbon steel in any of the products. And we even offer roll-in, roll-out shredders, which all improve the operational efficiency of the equipment. STI, BioSAFE, we've never lost sight of the fact that when you use this equipment, it is an integral part of your essential operation. The STI experience starts early in the planning stage. We're personally involved guiding you through every aspect of all the permitting and the zoning. In fact, every cost and benefit from the earliest site selection to decades of planned maintenance for long life can and should be examined right up front.
Each unit is custom designed, built, programmed, and tested at our factory under strict QA procedures. Our installation crews are an extension of the factory. They are on site to assure proper installation and commissioning, including training of operators and maintenance personnel. STI Smart Tech Service, remote monitoring and diagnostics, is your operating partner. The web-connected system provides remote diagnostic support, facilitating quick solutions to ensure your uptime. And our preventative maintenance programs assures decades of productive operation.
Just as in the beginning, where there was a true need to replace incineration, now we're looking for today's challenges and the solutions, including landfill avoidance. For the last 3 years, STI has been leading the way with a technology committed to real end-of-life solutions for landfill avoidance, both in existing and for new STI clients. The time is now for real solutions to landfill avoidance. Just as incineration has come and gone, now's the time to reuse our valuable natural resources. Participate in recycling the processed waste into oil and diesel fuel, creating an energy-independent solution. Let's truly go green with STI BioSAFE.
With agents in North and South America, Europe, and Asia, and a website accessible around the globe, it has never been easier to learn more about STI technology.